about traffic.
Yeah, with a whole suitcase and like
Kids in tow. Imagine Sam, we're here.
they would love you.
Yeah, it was meant to be.
Yeah.
His Andy, his Dave, his Ryan.
Yeah.
Interestingly enough, she works for a music company out there. She works for Universal Records. She's a brilliant station. I mean, I have looked. I get a lot of this. She's been sort of quite polite, and I think I get some of those posts that we've been about different Facebook programs. And actually, she
A very good morning, my name is Ben Lemon, the in-flight manager, and it's my pleasure to welcome you all on board today. A special welcome to those of you returning from our Executive Club, and those of you joining us from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening the overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, the use of e-cigarettes and vaping is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. To connect and join the BA Wi-Fi network, visit shop.ba.com to discover the packages available. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers. Please note, video and phone calls are not permitted any time during the flight. Mid-seat power is available within your seat area and will be ready for use once the seatbelt signs are switched off. We're about to start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, please contact any member of crew. For those of you seated in Club Europe, we'll be offering you a choice of meal and drinks from the bar. In our Euro Traveller cabin, we will be serving the Speedboat Cafe. Pre-purchased items will be served first, followed by onboard purchases. If you would like to purchase from a selection of Speedboat Cafe items on today's flight, please connect to the BA Wi-Fi and visit shop.ba.com to discover the items available. As part of our BA Better World initiative, you can now purchase a contribution to carbon offsets for £2.50 or donate to our charity partnership Flying Start.